Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an interesting macrame wall hanging tutorial to share with you. If you love this video, please give a like so it can reach more macrame lovers. Let's get started. You need to prepare 1 wooden dowel 45 centimeters long, 3 millimeters cotton rope with 3 different colors, scissors and comb, and then you will cut the cord as shown on the screen. Take 2 ropes 3 meters long, fold them in half, then you attach to the dowel by tying lark's head knot. Next, you tie to double half hitch knots. When you tie double half hitch from left to right, the cords will move in the counterclockwise direction. At here, you tie one more lark's head knot. Next, you use one yellow cord 3.2 meters long. Fold it so that the right part is about 20 to 30 centimeters longer than the left part. Attach it to the wooden dowel by tying lark's head knot. Then you use 5 yellow cords to 0.9 meters long. Fold them in half. Attach them into the right part of the first yellow cord by tying reserve lark's head knot. After you're done with the 5 ropes, you tie one more lark's head knot to keep them attached to the dowel. Next, you use one orange cord 3.2 meters long. Fold same as the first yellow cord. Attach it into the dowel by tying lark's head knot. After that, you use 8 cords to 0.9 meters long. Fold them in half and attach them the same way you did with the yellow row above. Next, you will make the second ivory layer. First, use one cord 3.4 meters long. You also fold and attach it the same way as we did before. Next, you use 3 cords to 0.8 meters long. Fold them in half and then attach by tying the reserve lark's head knot. And then, at here you tie the double half hitch with the ivory cords of the first row. For the right side, you add 4 cords to 0.8 meters long, fold them in half and attach by tying the reserve lark's head knot. Tie lark's head knot to hold them. Next, you'll make the second yellow layer the way similar to the ivory row above. First, you also etch 1 cord 3.4 meters long into the dowel. Then add a cord to 0.8 meters long for the left side and tie double half hitch with the yellow cord of the yellow row above. After that, you'll add a cord to 0.8 meters long for right side and keep them fixed by tying 1 lark's head knot. With the second orange row, you will do the same. After that, you will make the third ivory, yellow and orange row in the same way as above. At here, use 3 ivory cords 3.5 meters long. Fold them in half, then you attach them into the dowel by tying lark's head knot. You tie the double half hitch knots to create 10 diamonds. Tying double half hitch from right to left, the cords move in the clockwise. From left to right, move in the counterclockwise. Once you're done, tie the other end to the dowel. Use 3 cords for 0.2 meters long. Do the same to create 14 diamonds. And then, you use 18 cords 1.4 meter long. Fold them in half and attach the first diamonds layer. Use 26 cords 30 centimeters long. Fold them in half and attach to the second diamonds layer by reserve lark's head knot. Then you brush and trim it layer by layer. And here's the end result, a gorgeous macrame, 45 centimeters wide and 90 centimeters long. Thank you for watching.